Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying requirements. TPM2, 0 and secure boot because Windows 11 enforces firmware checks. That matters for boot success. Once confirmed, plug in an 8 GB or larger USB and back it up immediately so you don't lose files. Then download the official Windows 11 ISO and a burner like Rufus or the Media Creation tool. Choose Rufus for more control, because you'll need to pick partition scheme and target system type, UEFI/GPT versus legacy. Now you configure the burner. Open Rufus, pick the Windows 11 ISO, and set partition scheme to GPT with target system set to UEFI if your machine supports it, because that ensures secure boot compatibility. Choose FAT32 for secure boot. Use NTFS only when ISO has files over 4 GB and you accept using Rufus's UEFI, NTFS helper. Choose standard image writing mode. Enable quick format and check for bad blocks if you suspect USB faults. Start the write and monitor the verification stage. Finish by safely ejecting the USB and rebooting into your target PC's boot menu. Select the USB drive to start the Windows installer. During setup, choose your partitioning approach. Clean install by deleting partitions or preserve data on another drive and follow prompts to complete installation. If the PC won't boot the USB, recheck BIOS/UEFI, toggle secure boot, disable CSM or enable UEFI mode. Verify TPM is active or recreate the installer on a different USB port or a new drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.